The Manipur Veterinary Department has declared Iroisehmba, Imphal West district as the epicenter of African swine fever. A notification from the Veterinary Department states, based on the laboratory report confirming an outbreak of African swine fever of All India Coordinated Research Project on a peak of Central Agricultural University, Iroisehmba, Manipur's Imphal West district, submitted by the Director, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry in the exercise of power under Section 6, read with Section 20 of the Prevention and Control of Infectious and Contagious Disease in Animals Act 2009, Imphal West district of Manipur is notified as the controlled area for African swine fever, with immediate effects to prevent, control and eradicate the scheduled disease. Moreover, pig farmed CAU Iroisehmba Imphal West district is declared as the epicenter of African swine fever. Earlier on October 12, the Manipur Veterinary Department on Thursday sent samples collected from infected pigs from 4 different districts for diagnosis on Wednesday. Department of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Director NG Ibotombi Singh said the officials collected the samples of the infected pigs and sent them to Animal Health Center, Northeastern Regional Disease Diagnostic Laboratory, Khanapara, Guwahati on late Wednesday evening. He said the samples were collected from Imphal West, Imphal East, Kakching and Ukhrul. With the advent of swine flu, locals claimed that a large number of pig farmers are facing a big financial loss and a threat to their means of livelihood, as many pigs have been found infected by a highly infectious disease. Pork, a highly popular meat item in the state, is allegedly been now sold at Rs 180 to 200 per kg.